Hello guys, so today I will show you how to make a beautiful wall decoration. For this I am taking an A4 size sheet. So now when I have this sheet, I will just fold it like this. Then open it and then another fold like this. And then another fold like this. Same I will do with this part also. First you can open it and first fold it till the middle of this line of this sheet where I folded earlier, and then another fold like this, and then open it the whole thing and just do one by one by switching to the sides. Just switch and fold, just switch and fold, just do it like this. And now when I'm looking at it, it is like this. Just fold it like this, then again, and I will now fold it like this. And here only I can apply glue also here. Just on any one side, just put glue and just close it. Then after doing this, you can just close it and make sure the gluing is proper, and you can just do like this and check also. And just press it nicely from top to the bottom. So it's done and it sticked well and everything is okay. So now when I have this, I have made like this thing already made, and this and this, and method of making all is the same as I have shown you. So I will just glue it from side to side of each one, and it will be done then, and it will look beautiful when hang on the wall for decoration purpose. So just take one by one and stick with each other. I have taken one and stick to this. So you can just do like this also, and then taking this, you can put glue here and take the next one, the other color, purple one, and just take like this. And taking other one, just put glue here. And take the next and just stick it right here. And then I can take this one like this and just put glue here. And take the purple one and just stick to it nicely. And taking the orange one only, just put more glue here. And take them and take this part right over here, just press it like this to stick it well. And the last one that I need to do is this orange one, so I can just hold it like this, it will be easy then, and just put glue all over here. And you can just open it like this and you can just press it like this to stick it well. So like this, from this side also it looks very beautiful, and from this side also it looks really very beautiful. And nice. And you can hang it on the wall or anywhere, or any decoration purpose that you want, you can decorate it for that thing. And you can choose any colors that you want, and you can paste it anywhere, stick it anywhere on the wall. It will look good from both the sides, from this side as well and from this side as well. So both sides looks really nice. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also, and please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.